Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your interior design firm with Houzz, detailed guide step by step clearly. Create a Houzz account to showcase your work effectively. Fill out your profile with relevant information about your firm. Upload high-quality images of your completed projects. Use enticing descriptions for each project to highlight your design choices. Participate in Houzz discussions to enhance your visibility. Engage with potential clients by responding to inquiries promptly. Utilize the Idea Book feature to share inspiration and ideas. Network with other professionals in the industry to expand your reach. Take advantage of Houzz's advertising options to target specific demographics. Consider using Houzz Pro for enhanced project management and client communications. Track your performance with Houzz Analytics to understand what resonates with your audience. Solicit reviews from satisfied clients to build credibility on the platform. Regularly update your portfolio with recent projects to keep your profile fresh. Optimize your profile with relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Join local Houzz events or webinars to connect with your community. Invest time in crafting informative articles or tips within the platform to showcase your expertise. Monitor trends within the Houzz community to stay ahead in the design industry. Leverage Houzz's integration with social media to further promote your work. Implement feedback from analytics to refine your approach continually. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your interior design firm through Houzz. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.